To fix the issue of not being able to add a card to Apple Pay, start by checking if your device is compatible with Apple Pay. Ensure your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or Mac is updated to the latest operating system. Next, verify that your card is supported by Apple Pay. Check the Apple website for a list of participating banks and card issuers. If your card is not supported, contact your bank to see if they plan to add Apple Pay support in the future. Then, check the card itself for any issues. Ensure the card is active and has not expired. Also, check for any pending transactions or holds on the card that may be preventing it from being added to Apple Pay. Now, try adding the card to Apple Pay again. Open the Wallet app on your device. Tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add a new card. If you are still having trouble, try restarting your device and then attempt to add the card again. If the issue persists, contact your bank to see if there are any restrictions on the card that may be preventing it from being added to Apple Pay. Your bank may need to verify your identity or remove any restrictions on the card before it can be added. Additionally, check the Apple Pay terms and conditions to ensure you are in compliance with all requirements. Make sure you are using the correct card information and that the card is eligible for Apple Pay. It is also a good idea to check for any software updates for your device and install the latest version. Sometimes, a simple software update can resolve the issue and allow you to add your card to Apple Pay. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Apple support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance on how to add your card to Apple Pay.